In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your designs from Figma into Framer. If you've been looking to streamline your workflow and make the most of these powerful design tools, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Framer on your computer. If you already have a project you'd like to work on, go ahead and open that as well. Getting started in the right place is key to ensuring a smooth transition. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the top menu bar. This is where you'll find the options you need to proceed with importing your Figma design. Now, click on the menu. You'll see a variety of options available, but you want to focus on the one labeled File. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Import from Figma. This is where the magic starts to happen. Next, you'll be prompted to Get Plugin. This is an essential step to bridge the gap between Figma and Framer. Click on Get Plugin, and remember, patience is key here. Sometimes it may take a moment to load everything up, so take a deep breath and give it some time if needed. Once everything is loaded, you'll be redirected to another site. On this new site, you'll see an option to Open In. Go ahead and click on this. You will then be asked to select the specific project you wish to import. Choose your desired project and allow a bit of time for it to show up on your screen. Again, patience will be your ally here. Importing these designs can sometimes take a little bit, but rest assured your project will soon appear. After your project is visible, look to the bottom of the screen where you'll find an Actions button. Click on Actions and you'll see another set of options. Select Figma to HTML from this list. This conversion is what makes integrating your design into Framer a seamless process. Once you've selected Figma to HTML, you'll have the capability to copy to clipboard. This step is crucial as it will allow you to paste your design directly into Framer. Return to Framer and locate the frame where you'd like to paste your Figma file. You'll simply paste it into the selected frame, and just like that, you're done. You've now successfully copied your design file from Figma to Framer. With this streamlined process, you'll be able to enhance your workflow and unleash your creativity with ease. Thank you for following along and happy designing.